Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Tineco Floor is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning appliances on the market right now, and for good reason. It promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine by combining vacuuming and mopping into a single, efficient step, tackling everything from dry debris to sticky messes with impressive ease. If you're tired of the endless cycle of sweeping, vacuuming, and then mopping, this all-in-one solution might just be the game-changer you've been waiting for, offering a smarter, faster, and more effective way to maintain pristine floors throughout your home. Number 5. LEVOIT LVAC 200 Cordless Stick Vacuum. Introducing the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, your new partner for effortless cleaning. Experience powerful suction and a tangle-resistant design that handles all types of hair with ease. Tired of tangled brush rolls? This vacuum's innovative design picks up more hair while minimizing tangles, making it perfect for homes with both human and pet hair. Clean every corner of your home with its versatile capabilities. With included attachments, it tackles various floors and surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Enjoy the freedom of a lightweight design that makes cleaning sessions a breeze. It's easy to maneuver and carry, perfect for quick cleanups around the house. Maintenance is simple with its easy empty dustbin and washable filters. Keep it performing at its best by simply washing and reusing components, saving you time and money. For pet owners and allergy sufferers, this vacuum is a game changer. Its advanced 5-stage filtration system effectively captures pet hair and dander, contributing to a cleaner home environment. What we like? Tired of hair tangles and heavy vacuums? This one is designed to tackle pet hair with ease, thanks to its tangle-resistant roller. If you have pets or long hair and want a lightweight option for quick cleanups, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? The Tineco Floor 1S5 Steam is a game-changer for cleaning hard floors. It vacuums and mops simultaneously, cutting down cleaning time significantly. The steam function effectively sanitizes and loosens tough grime, making it easier to clean up messes. I love how it leaves the floors virtually dry and streak-free. The self-cleaning function is incredibly convenient. After each use, you can run a cleaning cycle that flushes out the dirty water and cleans the brush roll. This means less manual cleaning and maintenance for me, which is a huge plus. The design is sleek and modern, and it's surprisingly lightweight and maneuverable. It easily gets under furniture and into corners, making it a versatile cleaning tool for the entire house. Number 4. Tineco A11 Hero Cordless Lightweight Stick Vacuum. Experience ultra-powerful suction with our advanced cordless vacuum. It effortlessly tackles dirt and dust from carpets to hard floors. Choose from 3 power modes for any cleaning task. From deep carpet cleaning to everyday floor maintenance, it adapts to your needs. Easily converted into a portable handheld vacuum for cleaning anywhere. With multiple attachments, reaching tight spots is no longer a challenge. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning on a single charge. Its quiet operation makes it perfect for use around family and pets. Navigate stairs and furniture with ease thanks to its lightweight design. Integrated LED lights illuminate dark areas for a thorough clean. Breathe easier with our advanced filtration system. It captures fine particles, expelling cleaner air for a healthier home. What we like? Needs serious suction power for deep cleaning? This model offers multiple power modes, including a max power setting for tough jobs. If you're looking for a versatile cordless vacuum that can handle everything from daily dust to deep carpet cleaning, this is the one for you. What people say? The Tineco Floor 1S5 combo is a game-changer for cleaning hard floors. It vacuums and mops simultaneously, saving a lot of time and effort. The self-cleaning function is incredibly convenient. It automatically cleans the brush roller and tube, keeping the machine fresh and ready for the next use. I love how the Tineco Floor 1S5 combo handles pet messes. It picks up dirt, debris, and even sticky spills with ease, leaving the floor spotless. Number 3. Tineco Floor 1S5 Smart Wet Dry Vacuum. Introducing the Tineco Floor 1S5, your all-in-one solution for a spotless home. It vacuums and mops hard floors, effortlessly tackling both wet and dry messes. Equipped with iLoop Smart Sensor technology, it intelligently adjusts suction and water flow for optimal cleaning. Experience a powerful clean that adapts to any mess. Its specially designed brush roller reaches close to baseboards and into corners, ensuring a thorough clean. Enjoy floors that are dry and streak-free in minutes. With a 30% larger clean water tank than previous models, you can clean more area without interruption. The dual tank system ensures you always use fresh water. Say goodbye to dirty hands with its hands-free self-cleaning function. It automatically flushes the roller and tubing, making maintenance a breeze. Plus, a pet hair strainer simplifies cleanup for pet owners. The included 3-in-1 docking station not only stores but also charges your device, keeping it ready for its next use. It's designed for ultimate convenience. What we like? Struggling with sticky messes and want floors that dry instantly? This smart vacuum and mop combo automatically adjusts to messes and cleans right up to your baseboards. If you want a truly effortless cleaning experience with minimal maintenance, especially for hard floors, this is a game changer. What people say. The Tineco Floor 1S5 combo is a game changer for cleaning hard floors. It vacuums and mops simultaneously, saving a lot of time and effort. I love how the Tineco Floor 1S5 combo handles pet messes. It easily picks up dirt, debris, and even sticky messes, leaving the floor spotless. The self-cleaning function of the Tineco Floor 1S5 combo is fantastic. It keeps the brush roll clean and odor-free, making maintenance a breeze. Number 2. Eureka New 500 Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. Introducing the Eureka New 500, your all-in-one solution for a cleaner home. It vacuums and mops simultaneously, saving you time and effort on any mess. With its smart sensor technology, it automatically detects dirt and adjusts suction power and water flow. This ensures optimal cleaning on all your surfaces. Enjoy up to 35 minutes of cordless cleaning with its powerful lithium-ion battery. It combines deep vacuuming with refreshing mopping for a spotless finish. Its XL2 tank system keeps you cleaning with fresh water. Dirty water and debris are collected separately, ensuring a hygienic clean every time. Maintenance is a breeze with its self-cleaning function. Simply press a pedal to automatically clean the roller, keeping your hands clean and the process mess-free. It even features intelligent voice prompts to guide you. This enhances ease of use, making cleaning more intuitive than ever before. Purchase with peace of mind thanks to Eureka's 2-year limited warranty. Everything you need is included in the box for immediate use. What we like? Looking for a vacuum mop that tells you what it's doing? This unit features smart dirt detection and helpful voice prompts to guide your cleaning. If you appreciate intuitive technology and a large capacity for uninterrupted cleaning sessions, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Tineco Floor 1S5 combo has a powerful suction that easily picks up dirt and debris from both hard floors and carpets. Its lightweight and maneuverable design makes it easy to clean around furniture and in tight spaces. The Tineco Floor 1S5 combo features a long-lasting battery that provides up to 60 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. Number 1. YHOVID Multi-Surface Floor Cleaning Solution, 4-bottle pack. Introducing our advanced cleaning solution, designed to tackle dirt and grime on all your hard floors. It's perfect for keeping your home sparkling clean with every use. This versatile cleaner is compatible with a wide range of mopping robot vacuums and cordless wet-dry mops. Enjoy effortless cleaning without switching products. Specifically formulated to work seamlessly with your Tineco vacuum mop. Achieve optimal cleaning performance and leave your floors looking their best. Our original formula is tough on messes but gentle on your floors. It effectively removes stains and odors, leaving behind a fresh, clean scent. This convenient 4-bottle pack ensures you always have enough cleaner on hand. Keep your home consistently clean and fresh with this economical refill option. Experience an effortless shine on all your hard floor surfaces. It simplifies your cleaning routine, making maintenance a breeze. What we like? Already own a Tineco wet-dry vacuum and want the best cleaning solution? This is the original formula designed to work perfectly with your machine. If you want to ensure optimal performance and a fresh scent for all your hard floors, this multi-surface cleaner refill is the way to go. What people say. The Tineco Floor 1S5 is a game changer for cleaning hard floors. It vacuums and mops simultaneously, saving a lot of time and effort. The self-cleaning function is incredibly convenient. It cleans the brush roller and the internal tubing, ensuring the machine is always ready for the next use. The battery life is impressive, lasting long enough to clean my entire house on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.